And welcome guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, actually my first channel you meant. And I got like different fireworks up here. And also here's the little one. What all the paper on this one? Cause I don't like it like that. And so I got is I had this like I didn't. So if you can see that one, and right by the big one, right there to there. I did that one and that one. And also you can see we got big fireworks like on the sky. But I can show the cat one. That's what it does. This cat one is the beach cat firework. Also not my favorite, but I still like it. And we got like these two big ones and this big one. And we got this big scorpion firework. You can see right here. And this pond one, you know, see? So sit down. And I'm just going to show you, I got more sprinklers inside. I can get it. Look at these fireworks over here. Here's what my fireworks do. Yes, that's what I'll do. And go back over here. You can see it going. It's hard for me. And also I have sprinkler right here. Also, you can see right here. Also, this race car one right here is there. I don't know, is it race car one? It's a lightsaber one, guys. These are ones that, if you can see the color strings, are for showing what color are they. And I got up here poppets and snaps and the wild light stuff. So going anywhere. And guys, make sure you never put snaps on the biggest one ever. You can see it's a robot handle one, cause sprinkler. Stop spinning. Stop. There's more sprinkler. And go here. Don't worry hot because it's a hot sunny day. And guys, make sure you don't get this one. If you light it and it goes, you better get away fastly, or else it'll pop in your face. It goes up. It's not fountain. I'll come show you on the other side. On the sides, you can see your fountains. Actually, it is a fountain. I was just joking, it wasn't. No, I got these big fireworks at Walmart. See that? It's just a little one. It does a lot of them. After like a lot of chews of them. That one too. Also, it's 1, 2 over there. It's hard for me to look. You don't see anything? Okay, sorry guys. Well, I'm gonna show you what I got is here. All this is the tiger one. Also my coolest one ever. You can see I got 2 of these, but had blue wrapping. You see this over here has anything over here. See this one is the bumblebee one that we got to show you guys. Make sure a grown-up needs to help you with the bumblebee one. Because if you get too close, it'll burn off your face, guys. Understand? And you need to, if you want to do a firework, ask your grown-ups. Ask your grown-ups. Or else you die if you want to when you're a kid. Your head will get burned off and it'll fall off.